30 credits, and that's the year that I've